तो हेलो दोस्तों, आज का टॉपिक है हाउ टू सिलेक्ट विजिबल सेल्स ओनली। तो हम देखेंगे व्हाट आर द विजिबल सेल्स वी हैव इन एक्सेल, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ विजिबल सेल्स, सिचुएशंस वेयर वी कैन यूज इट, वेज एंड शॉर्टकट्स कीज टू डू इट। तो चलते हैं मेरी स्क्रीन की तरफ, बट उससे पहले चैनल का इंट्रो। अगर हम लेमन लैंग्वेज में बात करें, the concept of visible cells are similar like we have hidden and unhidden cells in Excel. If I hide this column, now these are the unhidden cells. We can also say that these are the visible cells we have in Excel, and the column which I hide, that are the hidden cells. अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम इसका यूज कहाँ पे करते हैं। अगर आपके डेटा में कुछ रो या कॉलम हाइड हो, okay, so when you are going to copy and paste the data set like this, आप देख पा रहे हो कि साथ में हिडन कॉलम, जो मेरा एक कंट्री कॉलम हाइड था, ये भी पेस्ट हो गया, और जो मेरी एक रो हाइड थी वो भी पेस्ट हो गई है साथ साथ। या फिर जब हम कोई फॉर्मूला कॉपी पेस्ट करते हैं तो वो अनइंटेंशनली जो हिडन रोज होती हैं उसमें भी पेस्ट हो जाता है, जो कि हमें नहीं करना है। Now let's see how we can avoid such situations we have. I will first unhide the column. Let me unhide it. Okay. Okay. We have a column hided. So the first way is to select the range you want to copy. Okay. Now go to the Home tab. Go to the Find and Select option. Now select Go to Special. A new a window will appear in front of you. And now you can see visible cell only. Tick mark this option. Press. If you copy this data, now you can see this dotted lines on the cells which we have selected. And now if I copy and paste this data here, see the country column is not there. Again, same way, if I apply the formula and if I have hide this row, and if I apply the formula directly, so if I drag this formula, it will automatically apply to the hidden row as well. You can see it like, see, but I don't want to do it. So I will hide it again. I will copy it, select the range, go to special, visible cells only, and paste. See how simple it is, that now it is not pasting the value in the hidden rows. I hope you got the concept here. So now have we also have shortcut keys to do it. So the first one is using the F5 key like this. So pressing the F5 key will open a new window for you. Go to special, and now here you can select the visible cells only. And the second option, or the I can see the second shortcut key, is Alt plus semicolon. Select the range, press Alt, and by the same time select semicolon key, and you can see that your range is highlighted here. Copy it and paste it wherever you want to paste. And now you can see that it will exclude all the hidden rows and hidden columns. I hope you got the concept here. So see how simple it is. So this way you can avoid the unintentional mistakes you do in your day-to-day work. I hope you like this video and please share your feedback in the comment section down below. Also, please like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this. Thank you.